afternoon. Welcome to High Score Online Class. If you're new to our channel, you can check out the laptops on the board so you can join our class in our various platforms on Facebook and YouTube. Now, today we'll be looking at the equation of machines efficiency. Before that, let's look at some basic terms used in describing machine. Now in machine, there must be two forces, the load and the effort. They are both forces, just that we use one to overcome the other. So the effort, let's start with the load. The load is the force to overcome, to be overcome. While the effort is the force to overcome the load. Now, in machine, it's assumed it's expected to put in lower effort to overcome a higher load. So in that case, you must have a ratio of the load to the effort, which we call mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage is equals to load over effort. And because in machines we must talk about work, and in physics, work is done when a force moves a distance. So if we will talk about the forces, which are the load and the effort, we must also talk about their distances. So distance moved by the effort is given as xe. Distance moved by the load given as x subscript l. So velocity ratio is given as distance moved by the effort all over distance moved by the load. Now, efficiency of a machine is given as epsilon equals to work output over work input expressed as a percentage. Now, how do we know what is work input and work output? Don't forget, we said we put in some force to overcome another force. So the force we put in is the effort. So the work output is the work done by the virtue of the effort. The work input is the work obtainable by the virtue of the load, while the work output is the work obtainable by the virtue of the effort. Now, epsilon is now given as work output is load, which is L, times distance moved by the load, while work input is effort times distance moved by the effort. We can express this as epsilon equals load over effort times distance moved by the load all over distance moved by the effort. Times 100 over 1 times 100 over 1. This can be written as load over effort divided by, so if I change this to division sign, this will give us 1 over xl over xe times 100 over 1. So this will give us load over effort divided by, this guy comes, this one comes down, xe over xl. That is epsilon equals load over effort divided by xe over xl. Remember that our L over E mechanical advantage, so this becomes us becomes mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio times 100 power. Sorry. So the machine's efficiency is given at the ratio of the mechanical advantage to velocity ratio times 100/1. Though in some questions you may be constrained to use this, while in some cases you have to use this to get the efficiency. Thank you very much. In our next video, I'll be doing some videos on how to get the velocity ratios of each of the machines, because every machine has its own unique way of getting the velocity ratio because of its configuration. So check back to our page to see how the velocity ratios formulas are derived for each of the machines, like the screw jack, the inclined plane, wheel and axle system, block and tackle system, and some other machines.